Yo, what's up, y'all? Got a couple of packages in for the SR400. Show y'all what I got. Oh, I can show you this right here while we're right here. I got the levers in. I got the footrest in. And what's this? Oh, mirrors. And I got mirrors. Okay. These other two packages, I know one of them should be my case. Let me see. Yeah, open it up from this side. Trying to do this one hand, y'all. My side case, where it's cracked at. My mind ain't even thinking right now. I'm trying to think what's on the right side of the bike. So that's what I think this is. The other one I'm not sure. Okay. Hold on a second, y'all. Put y'all right here. Okay. This is the case for the other side. Got to clean them a little bit. They got everything here. Everything you can think of. Go. It's that one. Hopefully we got the sight glass. Okay, let me set this down over here by my table. Yeah, let me go over this side over here. Okay, in this box, I don't know what this is. So this one is gonna be the mystery to us. Cause I just can't remember what it is. I'm still waiting on the frame. As soon as that comes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This will work on this video, too. These are my headlights for the BMW. Because they was cracked up. Oh, that's perfect. Got everything on them, too. Including the resistance for the LEDs. Yeah. Should be straight bolt in. Yep, that should be a straight bolt in on it. gonna be perfect. We need that there. All right, yeah, I'm gonna have to get situated before I get started putting stuff on, because I was waiting on a couple of more things to come in. So I'm gonna let y'all know. More things that came in. Figured put it all of it together. So I kind of waited. Yeah. Oh, I know what this is. Yeah. 1 second. Coming out. Handlebars, but I thought they had more height on them. But I can live with that, because the other ones are bent. With the stuff I'm putting on this bike, I'll probably need some. Well, no, the grips will cover that. I'm trying to introduce some black to this bike, man. I don't like all that chrome on it, you know? Yeah, too much chrome. I'm also thinking about before I do that side case, I might just I might paint it black. Well, it had a staple in it. Let me sit y'all down a second. Use 2 hands. I can get this through quicker. Nice little weight too. Okay, that's my grips. That's gonna be my grips right there. See how they got like a tint of gray to them? They ain't black, they gray. Go there, you know, that tank on there is gray. Okay, that's gonna work there. No, y'all heard me say got a little weight to it, but this is the other piece. You know how it is when you order more than one thing from a person, they ship it together. Which it don't bother me, just as long as I get my gear, you know? Ship it however you want to. Fork tubes. 1 set. Hopefully y'all can see that. That's the part number on it. They got a pretty good little weight to them, I can tell you that. I did not expect this much weight to them. biggest thing I'm looking at. Seems like they're the same size, man, but you know, till they get put off in there, you know, I'm be skeptical of them. I know me, so I know I'm gonna be skeptical of them. Just give me a second, y'all. Trying to move some junk around. Okay. Oh. Genuine parts. Let me see. I wasn't exactly sure about the size and everything. I may have a problem, y'all. I may have a problem. Yeah, I may have a problem, man. Damn. And this was doggone eBay. Yep. Ain't gonna fit. I know. When I looked them up, it said 33. 33mm forks. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a couple of more checking. I'll get something to measure them with. Well, to further notice, don't forget to like and subscribe.